Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I'm going to be unboxing the SHTF Mystery Survival Gear. This is a monthly subscription box that comes to my door every month. It's only 20 bucks a month plus shipping, and there's a lot of pretty cool stuff in there. You can get this box at budk.com or Chkadels. I am not being sponsored by these people whatsoever. I just really love their stuff. Everything comes from China. But in my eyes, as long as everything's being used for what it's being used for and it breaks for what it's being used for, then I'm perfectly fine with that. And I'd rather spend $5 or $10 over and over again than have to spend 50 bucks on the same item, because that's way more expensive. When can I pull $50 out of my pocket just randomly when I could just pull a 5 or a 10 and just replace that item, you know? So gonna dig in here. All right. So as always, the paper. Around in here. No, there's a watch somewhere. No, a watch here. Alright. So every month you get a card that looks like this. And on one side you get what's in every box. So if you had the Elite box, you'd get everything in what's above. Pro, everything above that. But I just get the primary one. I believe the primary box is the best deal. But on the other side, there's an SHTF survival tip of the month, and I like to read that for everyone. The tip for this month is this is a well-known home remedy for burns and some wounds, but few people know that their toothpaste can help treat bug bites as well. This is because it has properties that will help soothe any itchiness or pain that most bug bites cause. It also helps reduce any swelling that might result from the bug bites. So that's a pretty good tip. I knew that one. I also know that it can also help with poison ivy. If it relieves any itchiness. So it helps with poison ivy, any burns, with some wounds. Yeah. So definitely cool tip. Alright, so the first thing on the list is a multi-function paracord bracelet, and this retails for $5. So here it is. So I kind of got something like this last month. It's got the whistle here. It's got a compass here. Is my watch over there on the table by chance?
I don't see it.
Alright. Well, anyway, my watch looked pretty much exactly like this, except it's right here in the center, and there's a compass right over here on the side. But the flint striker and the compass here and everything else is the same. I'll probably end up just giving this to Kira. So, let me see here. So, another difference between mine is this one doesn't have a fishing kit. So, yeah, this is kind of like a practical, like you have your fire starter, direction, help, cordage. So, let's move to the next item. Next item on the list is a aluminum waterproof capsule. This retails for $10. I'm gonna assume it's this. Yeah, waterproof capsule. Open this up here. Take a look inside, see if there's anything in it. Nope, nothing in it. That is pretty cool though. That'd be a good idea to make into like a little fire kit or something. So, just a cool little container. Hang it from a carabiner, else in my backpack or whatnot. So, yeah, definitely something good to have, especially in a survival situation. Something waterproof. The next thing is a self-adhesive non-slip wrap. I am guessing it's this. Self-adhesive flexible gear wrap. Looks like some sort of gauze, maybe? Yeah, some kind of gauze that are, you know, if you want to make something camouflage, I guess. So I mean, that's pretty cool. Yeah, super neat. That retails for $7. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right in here. There's a fixed blade field knife for $14.99. You see here.
It's in your hand.
I think it's this one, yeah. So it says bug out field knife. All right. It's a fixed blade, which I mean, fixed blade is kind of but it's all right. Looks pretty cool. So as you can see here, it's got like a neon green handle. Looks like there's a window buster or some kind of, I don't know what that is. They probably use it to strike flint, like use it for like a flint striker. Let's take a look at the blade here. I like that.
It's like a Mora.
It looks kind of like a Mora. Yeah, definitely. This might top my Mora I've got right now. I mean, it's not as sharp. Let's see if it, oh, I mean, it shaves hair. You can see there's a little bit of hair on there.
Ew.
But yeah, that's a really cool knife. I like that. All right. Well, that is a knife I'm probably gonna keep with me. And it clips in there, so that's not going anywhere. Like, I had to clip it in there. In order to remove it, you have to pull it out. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And that retails for $15. Guys, that's a $15 knife. And I looked up all of this gear on their website. You can find this stuff on their website, and it all prices out. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. So we've got next a tactical M-O-L-E. I don't know what that is. A mole shiv? I know what a shiv is. $6. This is a tactical mall shiv. Just open it up here. Comes with a little bit of cordage here. Got like a little sheath, it looks like. And here's the shiv. It's literally just something sharp. Here, there we go. That'd be probably an excellent flint striker, honestly. A really good flint striker. But very cool. Very cool. There's directions on here. Where is it at? Right here. It says discreet self-defense weapon. Rubber overmold handle. Premium gripping ridges. Integrated plastic MOLE, which I assume it's just the type of plastic. Oh yeah, it's a type of rubber. Okay. Webbing adapter. Or, well, MOL. Oh, this is MOLE. Okay. Mole webbing. Alright. Ah, got it. A lanyard hole for including the lanyard cord. overmolded rubber heavy duty sheath. It's 440C stainless steel, which I heard that's pretty decent steel. It's 1 inch and it's 2 inches overall. Let me just put this all together here. See how it all fits. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Cool little blade. And I can just tie this little cord through here. Look at that. It's very cool. So, that retailed for $6. So the last thing on the list is a bullet ice tray. This retails for $5. Kind of curious as to what this is. It's an ice tray.
Does it make bullet-shaped ice
It
cubes?
makes bullet-shaped ice cubes. That's actually kind of cool. It's not really survival related,
I love it.
but that's pretty sweet. How do I get this open? I want to figure this out here. Oh, there we go. So yeah, okay. So you fill it up right here where the open holes are, and then after it gets some freezing, it looks like a magazine, first off, which is kind of funny. And then once it gets some freezing in the freezer, you open it up and you've got little bullet ice cubes. That's pretty cool. Yeah, K47 bullet ice tray. This is dishwasher safe, BPA free, 100% non-toxic. For easy ice cube removal, run warm water over the back and sides of the tray. That's pretty neat.
Or you make bullet popsicle.
Right? I could make bullet. Yeah. Yeah. What Kira said. All right, guys. So as I said in the beginning, this is only $20 a month just for the primary box. If you go up to the Pro, it's $50, and the Elite is $90. So, but you get like more and more stuff added. So like here, a little hint for the Pro box, you get a stainless steel gravity hook and an aluminum fishing pen. So that's kind of cool. The Elite box has a Life Straw personal water filter, 5-ounce stainless collapsible cup, chocolate chip cookie. Oh, chocolate chirp cookie. I don't know why it says chirp. And then Revelator machete. So that's pretty cool. There's the picture of the machete in the front there. They usually show like the main Elite item. You can see my ice tray, but yeah. So yeah, definitely a cheap monthly subscription to go through. I enjoy getting this. It's fun to open that, and I love opening it for you guys. So if you guys like this unboxing, go and hit that like button. Go and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'm always doing things like this once a week, so if you guys are into this type of thing, like survival, outdoor survival, bushcraft, hiking, camping, fishing, mainly fishing because I'm a fishing addict, I'm gonna admit, then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community, and as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.